Atharva College of Engineering is famous for its engineering practices and also perishing youth's practical skill. This gave me a motivation to start my own company and develop in the field of 3D printing. 3D printing was fortunate enough to give me an opportunity in this lockdown situation to develop and manufacture a part of face shields and hygiene handles for a lot of frontline workers. Just imagine the possibilities which can be taken by each individual student to give them a boost of confidence and also the morale to develop and manufacture their own project or own product without even having heavy cost investments. So I would like to thank my parents, my friends, my professors, and also Mr. Sunil Rani sir for giving me this support and providing this platform to take risk and develop a company from scratch. And right now the position I am, it is challenging and tough, but it's teaching me a lot, and I hope a lot of young youth is also stepping towards this journey to make a successful dream. Thank you.
My name is Sharang Ambadkar. I am the founder of Feel Good Eco Nurture. We convert waste plastics or waste menace into something useful. When I came to know about waste management in the first world of what they were doing with their waste, so I was very intrigued with that. So we pick up waste from municipal bodies, from industries, and from wherever the waste is generated. We collect those waste, we mix it with our chemical formula that we have patented, and then we make it into tiles. Feelgood was awarded as Material of the Year 2020 by United Nations. Self-love for me is trusting myself and taking decisions as per that. What I love about myself is I take charge, I make decisions, and I trust myself.